don't know how I'm supposed to get any work done when my desk looks like this, but I'm on my lunch break, so let's clean as much as I can in the next 30 minutes. Our house is still under construction, so we don't have anywhere to put all these things. Hair clips from this morning, absolutely disgusting. Let's take these where they belong. Eventually, we're gonna organize these as well. I need to move all this out because I can't even open that bottom cabinet. Yeah. I think the best way to do it is to just put everything into piles. Things we want to get rid of, things we need to review. Oh, there's a silverfish. That one's for crafts. This one's for candles. I'm definitely gonna keep all the books I have because we're gonna build a bunch of shelves in the living room eventually. Okay, so I think this is gonna take a little bit longer than half an hour. Everything is so dusty. Oh my gosh, I feel like I made an even bigger mess. I just saw a spider. I'm gonna call John. There's a big spider. Wait, you also think it's big? Oh! Okay, John took care of that. That was shocking. It looks so different. I can actually focus and work now. Here's the before. This is the after. It looks so good. Do you love it? You love it? I have to get back to work, but thanks so much for hanging out with me. I am so happy we got this done. See you later. Bye.